Hi, I'm Leann Van Meter. I've been living my dream as a professional travel agent since 2020. Every time I tell someone what I do, I get the same two reactions. Wait, travel agents are still a thing? And almost immediately after, that sounds amazing. How do I become one? That's exactly why I created this ebook. If you love to travel and want more freedom in your life, this can be an incredible career, even if you have no experience. Inside, I walk you through exactly how to get started, the different ways you can set up your business, and the pros and cons of each path. But here's the exciting part. Myself and my colleagues also host a free live webinar every day where we go even deeper. In it, you'll learn the types of travel you can book, how to start earning as quickly as possible, how to access wholesale booking sites, and what it's really like to work under a host agency. And we wrap it all up with a live Q&A where you can ask us anything. So enjoy the ebook, and when you're ready, grab your spot in the live webinar. You'll find the link below. We can't wait to see you there.